Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another crochet hair tutorial. If you guys are not new to my channel, y'all know how we do. So today I'm going to be working with hair from Flotig Hair, I think. I'm not sure if I'm butchering the name, but I'm working with their T118. Hair is like a burgundy color, and it's my first time trying color, so I got 7 packs in the package, and each bundle have 12 strands. So yeah, these are their 10 inches. I wanted to try a little color, but I wanted to try it a little bit short. I wasn't sure how it would look on me if it was long, you know, and it's summer. I don't really want a lot of hair, so I decided to go with red, with this burgundy and black color, and also to try them in 10 inches. So y'all know how I do crochets already, so y'all can just go ahead and watch this process, and I'll see you guys once the video is done, so I can give you some more details and just the finished look and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I'll see y'all later. Alright, so this is the finished look, and I must say I kind of like the color on me. It's my first time trying a color this bright when it comes to crochet hair, but I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit. I am so used to doing 1B black hair, but you know, a little color won't hurt. And she is lightweight, to be honest, and the twists are pretty, they're not super thick, but they are not thin, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna show you guys a few styles you can put her in. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just a few styles you can put her in. And yeah, let me know which style is your favorite. Let me know how you feel about the color on me. Let me know how you feel about the color overall, if you would rock the color or not, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright, so my first style is like a half up, half down kind of style with the 2 little braids in the front, you know. Yeah, typical and stuff like that. So that's what she is looking like, and I think that this is super cute, you know. And I'm just gonna make a little messy bun, and you can decide how you want to wear it. it's all up to you, but it's hot, so I didn't want to wear all of it down. And yeah guys, the summer is super hot. Okay, it's super hot, super hot. All right guys, so again, this hair is from Flotig Hair on Amazon, and they sent me over this T118, I think it is, crochet hair, passion twist crochet hair in 10 inches, and that is, she just looks gorgeous. Okay, the length is awesome. If you don't like long hair, the color is fire. If you like a little color, she's lightweight. It feels like there's nothing on my head actually, and she's easy to manage. She was easy to install. I didn't get any snags and stuff like that. So yeah, all in all, this is a good hair. It's awesome. Buy if you want to change your style, want to get some color, then you get this hair. I love the color, to be honest. At first it was like growing on me, but I love the color. Okay, so guys, that is it from me. You can go ahead and watch the other styles that I'll be trying, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts below. I'll see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to be the most authentic you. Keep slaying, queens. Peace. I'll see y'all. Bye.
The obvious reasons, true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually